editing play here. It's gonna be a little bit of sound delay. I don't know how to fix that. If you know how to fix that, let me know in the comments. Okay, enjoy the video. Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Escape the Flod obby. I also know. Oh crap! No, I'm not copying Cooper. I just want to play this game too because it looks awesome. Looks freaking awesome. See, anyways, let's play now. Oh, they didn't like. It's actually flooded. Did a hurricane pass? Anyways, let's just get on. Let's get in. Oh crap! I just pressed the jump button too. Oh, I forgot this is kind of the games. All the games. Jump and jump. You have to time it correctly. Go through here. It's fine. See, give me spot over that. Again, not trying to copy Cooper. I just want to play this game. It looks really cool. You see? Anyways. Jump. 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 Let's walk through these power lines. Don't do that in real life. You can get electrocuted and die. Let's go in here. Yeah, you gotta be careful right here. If you even touch just a little bit of your leg, you will instantly die. In game. Okay. Jump over here, and then go climb up here. Let's go down. It might be a little bit easy to me because I've already experienced a lot of obbies. Oh man. So I can just finish this in no time. Oh no! Oh come on! I jumped! How? Okay, again. Oh man. It's close. Well, look at how big it is. There's a lot of cars that's just flooded, even that car too. Jump, be careful. I have to be careful. Dude! Not again? I think I jumped too soon. Okay. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's do the same thing. Let's do the same thing. Oh, careful. Okay. Now they go up here. I really like obbies. I don't know what game there is to play. So I think the obbies are just the best option. Probably. You can't go down here. It's flooded. Okay, you jump over here. Oh, that's a tall building. You would survive if you go up here if there's a hurricane or a tsunami. Go up here. Wow. Oh man. Man, the tree fell down. See? Just crumbled and then fell on the ground. Oh. Oh, fire truck. Jump. Jump. No. Oh, that was so close. Okay. Let me click to move for this one. Be really careful. If you want to risk it, you can use the ASD. If you want to risk it. Okay. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh! No. Dude, no! Oh my god. Took me a long time to get up there. The frick, man. Jump. I think I'm just going too I think I'm going just too fast. So if I go too fast, I would probably fall down and die. Nice. Dude, you would actually die if you fall from this height. You from a house, from the ground, water. Well, if you land perfectly, then you'll be fine. You perfectly. Oh, get up, get up, get up. Okay. See, yeah. Oh man, it's a tall building. Look how high we are at. Oh, look. That's huge, man. Imagine you take a picture. A picture. Look. What happens if you would take a picture like here in the view? That would be awesome. This is actually a great view to take pictures, but it's life-threatening flood, alright? Helicopter without propeller, what the heck? Oh! Police car is flooded too. Look, it's flying, it's floating. And why we couldn't just escape somewhere else? Why did the helicopter just crash here? Boom! To a building. Even the H. You should have landed here instead of landing over here. The pilot's dumb. Or am I the pilot? This is really easy. You can just jump from here instead of doing that and that. Jump. And then jump. Oh! Oh no! Really? Really? Come on, man. This is getting me a little bit. This is getting a little bit infuriating. Again, let's do it again. Jump and land safe. Jump! Jump! Come on! You can do this! Yeah! Did it! Where am I supposed to go now? Over here. Okay, okay. Just walk straight. Walk straight. Be careful not to fall down. Alright, we made it. Sounds easy enough. Only noobs die in that one. Let's go over here. Over here. Oh! The same thing goes for this one. If you touch water, you die. It applies to all of the environments in this game. Jump, jump. Yeah, don't be touching that. Over here, over here. Is it the refinery? You could, I think you would die if you just jumped there, and it would smell really bad as well. You can jump down here. I think I'm nearing at the end of the game. This is way too easy. We're gonna be very careful, very careful. Ooh. Okay. Jump. Oh. I nailed that perfectly. No, 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 no. Oh. How? Oh. Come on. Not to reset the whole thing again? Come on. Keep going. Oh, okay, okay. This time we go here. Click to move. Yeah. Oh man. Down here. My goodness, the rain was so flooded here too. Just keep going. Keep going. Jump. Oh, we're sorry, started lagging. Okay, so okay, am I supposed to go here? I think so. Ooh. How am I supposed to make that up here? No! How am I supposed to get up there? How? Game sucks now. I thought it would be easy. There's no platform in there. Yo. How am I supposed to get up there? How? How am I supposed to get up there, man? If I don't make this, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop playing this game. Because it freaking sucks now. Jump! How? I jumped! I jumped! One last try. One last time. If I fail this again, I'm gonna stop playing. This game's cheating. Well, I jumped! This game sucks.